So what's my philosophy on training and assessment? Well, I've always been a very strong advocate of training, and I've always been very passionate about training. And if you really consider the problems that a lack of skill or lack of knowledge can cause within a business, particularly high risk industries, I think there's a, a moral and a moral and a business-based obligation to do the right thing by people. And if we want good business performance and we want people to be able to succeed in their roles, whatever role that might be, whether you're sitting behind a desk or whether you're on the shop floor in an industrial setting, then you need the skills and the knowledge to be able to do that job well. So as I said, I've always been an advocate for good quality training. Something that I observed very early in my career is training methods aren't going to be the same for everybody. Some people are very comfortable in an academic environment. Some people are very comfortable in a kinesthetic environment. And that really became apparent to me through working in some quite industrial settings through my career, whether it was in manufacturing or mining or what have you. So people are different, and this is why we have different skills pathways for people to progress through and get a career. Whether someone goes through university for academia, or whether someone goes through a more vocational pathway. But we have these pathways for a reason. It's because people are suited to them, and these pathways have been in place for many decades. So really, I've got a strong passion for making sure people have got the skills they need in the workplace, and those skills are provided in a suitable and appropriate way that actually delivers results. And a frustration of mine, I suppose, that I've developed over the years as well, is training for training's sake that doesn't create results. And that's really, I suppose, a part of my position in terms of Cloud Assess is, we've always been passionate about driving actual value and results through training and assessment practices.